Hello my crochet friends, this is Lady Jana and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very exciting pattern to show you. Very easy. It's called extended single crochet. This is the easiest pattern I've ever done. It's basically just doing a single crochet plus a chain. I'm going to show you how this is done. This makes a very thin fabric that you can use for gloves and socks. Let me show you. To do this pattern, I'm going to be using a 4 medium weight yarn and a 4mm crochet. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to do your slip knot. And then you can chain any amount of stitches. It does not matter. In this case, I'm going to do 15. And make sure that it's not too tight. Okay, once your 15 is done, we're going to turn our chain, and starting from the second back bump of the chain, we're going to start our single crochet. So into the second back bump, yarn over, pull through. So that's the beginning of our single crochet. You're going to yarn over, pull through the first loop. So this is the extension. And then you're going to just close your single crochet, yarn over and pull through both loops. And you continue like this. Go into the next bump. Start your single crochet, yarn over, pull through one loop. Add your extension, yarn over, pull through one loop, and you close your single crochet, yarn over and pull through both. Same thing again. Into the back bump, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through to add the extension, and then yarn over, pull through to close your single crochet. And then you continue like this up to the end. Okay, so now this is your first row. Once that is done, you're going to turn and you're going to continue doing the same thing. You chain one, turn into the first stitch, yarn over, pull through. So this is the start of your single crochet. Yarn over, pull through one loop. This is the extension. Yarn over, pull through two to close your single crochet. Do the same thing into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through one for the extension, and yarn over, pull through both to close the single crochet. Into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through to start your single crochet, yarn over, pull through one loop to add the extension, and yarn over, pull through both loops to close the single crochet. And you continue like this till the end. Now you have 2 rows done, and this is how it looks like. Look how pretty it is. Look how easy this is to make. And it's not just single crochet, it's actually a little extra. So this is perfect for knife scarves, headband, and then you continue the same row over and over again. So let me just show you how we turn. Create your turning chain, chain 1, turn, and then you start over. And then you go into the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through for the extension, and yarn over, pull through to finish off your single crochet. This is the pattern that it makes. Look how pretty this is. And it's easy to do as well. It's up until now, this is the easiest pattern I've done. And I started to put little tags on my a swatch pattern because I really want to know like what it is, because after a while you just forget. And if I need to do something nice like a sweater, some gloves, I can refer to all of the swatches and pick up the pattern that I really love. I hope they enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have yourself a great day. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye.